Hey there, this is Web Designs. We wanted to go through an overview of our site. So basically you'll come here and you'll have this contact form where you can leave us a message, and we'll then send you an audit on your website and your Google business profile, and then basically you'll get started. So originally we were in the SEO game, and we realized that that leaves kind of a bad taste in most people's mouths, and because of all the online overseas agencies and whatever claiming SEO, blah, blah, blah. So basically today we are just about growing your business in general. No acronym like search engine optimization, things like that. We are just looking to help you out, do keyword analysis, do some audits, and find out what your problems are. Of course, listen to you, and you can tell us what you think your problems are, and then we'll just go from there, right? We'll create a growth plan and then start a marketing strategy to build your brand. And then after we build the brand, we will build out the important keywords that are associated with your brand. And once they are built out, we will go ahead and expand on that and just increase further out with more keywords and a larger proximity for you. So that's kind of everything in a nutshell. Now we've got 3 different levels. We have the starter, which will create several citations and social accounts. Citations basically just being a word that means anywhere online that your business is listed, your NAP or your name, address, and phone number, and also your email and website. So those are citations. Citations could be anything from Yelp, the Better Business Bureau, anything along that line, social accounts such as Facebook and Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, X, or Twitter, whatever they're calling it these days, and so on. And so we'll work on that and then do some link building. Link building basically being where we obtain strong relative websites that we find in your niche or that pertain to your business in any manner, and we can work on getting a link on that site back to your website so it helps build authority for your website. And this is what Google looks for when they're ranking. Up next, we'll go through and do your Google business profile, and we'll fill out and optimize your profile with everything so it's completely optimized, and link up the social profile links with any kind of listing that we can use to help that still needs to be accurate. So women-owned, native-owned, black-owned, minority-owned. So these are all the types of things that we can do. Then there's also products and there's services you can do to the product pages for every single product you have. Link it back to the booking on your website. So there's a lot that we can do to optimize. We issue press releases so that we can network our work and submit a press release and then send it out. So there's anywhere between 50 and 100 different news agencies that produce these press releases, and then that will lead back to your site. So bringing juice back to your site. And then we'll be giving you bi-weekly reporting. So we'll send a report showing you your Google Analytics and your maps and rankings. And then there's a spot where you can fill in a message to let us know if you want to do any changes or anything along that line. And then we also offer Google Ads and Facebook Ads management. And this is really, really popular these days and very inexpensive. We offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. We've teamed up with one of the industry leaders, Brent Jacobs, who is one of the ad masters and also an SEO colleague of ours. So, you know, when you hire us, you're getting quite the team. So we've got clients of all sizes, shapes, and forms, from mom and pop shops to Forbes 500 companies that we've worked with pretty much every niche out there. And we're working currently with a Norwegian company on launching an app. So yeah, we've got a broad range of clients we've worked with, developers, automation specialists, SEO experts, and we've got a large staff that we're working with. So, you know, when you go to hire somebody and work on your stuff and it's white labeled, if you hire us, it's our staff that's actually working on it. So that's another reason why we're really your choice when it comes to all of this marketing. When you're working with us, you'll get great communication. We do it via email or through Slack or ClickUp on the client portal. rather than phone calls so that we can always get to you as fast as possible. And that's because we have employees in several spots of the world that are working with us directly, and we're able to have 24/7 support pretty much all the time, right? And so we can help you with your high level, we can help you with your ClickUp, if you're needing to do some CRM consulting, or if you need automations, we can do that as well. Looking at our team, Brian, our CEO, we've got our Director of Operations, Mahmoud. He is the jack of all trades. He's good at just about everything. And then Natalie handles account services and accounting, things like that. Piash is one of our SEO marketing people. Kennedy does all the social media marketing, helps get everything filled out, collects pictures and images from clients and helps utilize those in social media and press releases and things like that. Narab is very good at pretty much everything. Another guy good at development. He can do websites, social media, graphics. He's a graphic designer. And Brent Jacobs, obviously, is the ad specialist. And then Salman, another jack of all trades, a web designer, developer, app builder. And then we also have even more people. Karen, not listed yet here, but she handles all of our automations and helps us figure out all of our triggers and other items that we need. And then we just brought on Lee Hiru. He's not yet listed here. He is our graphics designer. He's based out of Sri Lanka. He's been working with us for a while. You know, we've been contracting and working with him for our own stuff, and then we decided to bring him on full-time. Services, anything online, of course, we can do, but just to narrow it down, we can help with branding. We can find out where you're at. The best thing you can do is to rank for a certain keyword. So we'll have clients come to us saying we want to rank for this keyword and that keyword. But before all that, you need to first establish your brand and really build it online. So that's one of the things we really focus on is interactive design, building out websites and making sure that they're mobile responsive, building out an app if you need one and integrating it with your platforms. We can do e-commerce websites, marketing. We can do lots of different things to bring your business to market. Growth strategies, we'll talk to you, see what your needs are, and help to fulfill them. And then we have our shop where you can come in and pick what you need. These are our standard levels. Obviously, you can reach out to us. We have clients that are even higher than this. That's because they're hiring us to be their marketing team, rather than all the expenses you'll have by an in-house. And ads management, website designs, these are all just basics because people will always just hit us up. Hey, what does this cost? So we put these all on here, but it's still better if you can do this via our Contact Us and do a consultation so we get the full gamut and find out exactly what you want and tailor it to that, but this is a good overview. Then there's maintenance and hosting, very inexpensive. On domain and hosting, it's $500 a year, and website maintenance, $300 a month. We'll monitor it, make sure it never goes down, keep the speed up, make some changes for you. It's all included, as long as it's nothing too major. And then automations, obviously, is custom, and we'll do an interview with you, and Karen will be on there. She can figure out basically where your problems are and solve them with automation. Once again, you can scroll through some of our clients. Just a brief list, we haven't updated them all. And then we have our media room. All our clients, we set up a blog page and we'll do blogs because it's real important for ranking. And then we have our press release room. We just set this new one up, so there's only 2 in there now. This will give you some indication as to what the press releases are like. So we'll embed your Google business profile and then link it back to all your entities. And then with our online academy, we're starting to build this out. This is fairly new, but on here, we're going to offer free courses and support if you need them. And then we'll probably end up with some paid courses as well. Or if you're a client, you'll get free access. So we're just trying to bring as much value as we can to the marketplace. As far as getting started with us, a lot of people get referred to us. and they don't even want to have a consultation. They're just like, I know I need to do it. They look at this. So here are some of the big differences. This is one Google business profile. This is up to 3. This one has social media and search engine optimization. This is branding, getting you online marketing, plus social media management. And then this one is all that, plus we'll handle your ads. Or if you want to do a la carte, you can do just SEO and then add ads over here because you don't want social media management. We're just trying to make it easier to give you exactly what you want. And then at any time, if you want to talk to us, you can book a consultation. You can tap our Contact Us up here. And here's our email address and phone number. You can also message us on WhatsApp. We have some international clients that prefer to use WhatsApp, and that's really good anyway because of the encryption, so it's private. We've got our schedule here. You can go ahead and schedule out and choose a preferred time here right on our calendar. We've got some pretty good openings right now. And then again, areas we serve. We have offices in all of these locations. And that's pretty much an overview of web designs. We would love to work with you. So you can just go ahead and reach out to us and we can do an audit for you. We offer those complimentary, absolutely free. And even a consultation is free as well to see if we're a good fit. So thanks for checking us out. Have yourself a great day.